Alright guys, this is going to be my trade recap for May 6, 2025. So basically we made $1,044 on the S&P 500 today, trading futures. So coming into the morning we had London highs, untapped, London highs, Asia highs, up here. And then the lows were swept, and we had this sell side liquidity right here. And then previous day high. And we had previous day high up here, okay? Fuck, where is it? Okay. So coming into the morning, we lean into the market bearish, and the obvious draw on liquidity here is the sell side liquidity here from this low, from this high time frame low right here. So basically, I'm looking at one of two things. So one, we make a sweep up this way, tap into this, and then go hit that, or my second option, if we don't sweep this high right here, is that we displace down and then we go for a long position to these highs. Okay, so that was my initial. I came in with no bias. I was waiting for market to open. So let's see how market opened up on ES. So this market open, we're manipulating up, but we never really tap our level. Okay, so let me bring it back just a little bit. So here we have an SMT on NQ. So let's bring up NQ. So NQ swept that big sell side level I had right here. So let's go on the 15-minute chart to make it more clear. So on the high time frame chart, NQ swept the level. So tapped in, NQ swept it, right? So that created an SMT divergence between ES and NQ. So that even gave me more confirmation for a long to here. So let's rewind it back. So right here, this is where the SMT divergence happened. So I'll mark out my SMT divergence. SMT, perfect. And what I'm waiting for here is one of two things. Break of structure is way too high up for me, so break of structure will be up here. So I'm waiting for an inverse for a value gap, and the first inverse I get is on the 2-minute chart right here. Boom, we inverse it. I'm gonna slow this down. So boom, inverse it. So from here, I'm like, okay, price is inversing and respecting on this next candle. Let's see what NQ does on this same level. So I'm waiting for NQ to inverse it as well. Boom, NQ inverses and respects it, okay? So on ES, that's my confirmation to go long. So I enter long here, stop loss below the low of the inverse for value gap, take profits at the high, okay? And let's play it out, see how price went. Coming up, barely any drawdown. Boom, smack TP. And the reason we targeted this high is because it's an internal draw on liquidity. It's an obvious draw that we have. And then yes, London high was a pretty high draw for us, but and it did end up hitting it later down the day. But we like safe and good models. Like this is a good model to me. This is an A+ setup. We had an SMT divergence, inverse fair value gap. We swept a high time frame low, and then we instantly manipulate up or instantly reverse up. So giving me even more confirmation just to take this trade. I love the SMT. I love that the high was going to get swept. Everything was super obvious. Even if we went, our initial direction of going up here, manipulating, and then taking an inverse for value gap down or, any other entry trigger, I would have loved that too. That would have been another high time frame, a good A plus setup for me. So one of our setups played out, and we were patient. We waited, and it hit. And let me show you the executions on real chart. Show you my actual chart. Open anyways. Let's exit out of here. Oh, I don't think executions load after the next day, but yeah, I took it right here. Wow. Oh, and then another thing that helped me with my confluence is so these lines right here are standard deviation. So we were headed towards the third standard deviation, making it optimal for trade entry. We were right in between, we were right in between it. So yeah, it was super good, super free trade. So I was like, oh, we did sweep it. Great. Yeah. Oh, this is not. This is yes. I was like, we did sweep it. Yeah, here it is. This is I marked out the trade on the other one too. But yeah, look, standard deviation. We're on the third. We're almost at the third leg, so that's making it even more confirmation for me. But yeah, 1044 on ES. Simple.